Okay, this song may kill us all. This is The Rock. I have tweaked the beginning of this like 5 times, so don't be surprised next week if we show up for a rehearsal and I change the beginning of this completely, but this is what we have for now. So we're kind of bounce, 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 like kind of rock, 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 rock as the music starts. So just kind of, you know, dun, dun, bop, bop. So however you want to bop to that, I don't really care. On Christ, we're going to grab. On Christ, the solid rock I stand. Da 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 da. All other ground is sinking sand. Like, that's the worst, because all other ground is sinking sand. This is the part I keep changing, so for now we're gonna go. The storms will rage, the oceans roar. Like an ocean. I kind of hate that move, so I'm definitely gonna change that. The storms will rage, the oceans roar. With Jesus by my side. With Jesus by my side, I fear no more. Like you're making a cross. Then Ryan is gonna rap like he do. So then we're gonna, to the right, bounce, 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 bounce. So then he's gonna do that. Okay, so here we go to the chorus. So there's 2 times that we do this. One time is right on houses built upon the rock. That's the end of the chorus. But the first time we sing it, it's kind of houses built up, like it's like a beat behind. I'll show you when we get there. We're gonna step back with our left foot. The water comes up, the rain falls down. We're punching with our arm. You can't really see me. Let's see, the water comes up, the rain falls down. This house is built on solid ground. So when I say ground that time, it's not really right on ground. This house is built on solid ground. It's right on like the end of ground. So now we go the opposite way. We're gonna go, try to throw me down. He's gonna lift me up. He's got my back no matter what. Nothing's gonna rock me. And I've got my right foot going out first. Nothing's gonna rock me, left foot. Nothing's gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna shake me now. He made me, saved me, never gonna stop. This house is built upon, like you're pounding the fist, the rock. And give me some really big, like swagger, like, that's right, I said it. No longer I, kind of like the other song. No longer I, but Christ. And we're going to grab on Christ. No longer I, but Christ in me. I believe in things unseen. We got that swagger back, right? With a little lean. He is my rock. So not like the other song where we've got this on fist. He is my rock. He's all I need. I do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Point up to the sky with your swagger. Water comes up, rain falls down, house is built on solid ground. Try to throw me down, try to move me up. Got my back no matter what. Rock me, nothing's gonna stop me, nothing's gonna fake me now. Then we're going to get to the bridge-ish part. Where we just chant with the music. And I may add like a, on the solid rock, or something like that. That's gonna change too. Sorry. Double bounce, double. Look at my hair, what's happening?
On Christ's solid rock I stand. On other ground is
bouncing, always start right. When in doubt, start right with your arm or your body, whatever.
No longer I, but Christ in me. I believe in things unseen. He is my rock, he's all I need. I do all things through Christ who strengthens me. The water comes up, the rain falls down. This house is built on solid ground. Try to throw me down, he's gonna pick me up. He's got my back.
Right, left, right.
Nothing's gonna run me.
Right,
Nothing's gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna shake me. Now he made me, save me. Never gonna stop. This house is built upon the rock.
We're double bouncing here. One more time. Something like that. I don't know.
The water comes up, the rain falls down. This house is built on solid ground. Try to throw me down, he's gonna pick me up. He's got my back no matter what. Nothing's gonna run me, nothing's gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna shake me. Now he made me, save me. Never gonna stop. This house is built upon the rock.
Something like that. Oh my gosh.